Piece by piece, you've broken me. Piece by piece, you've broken me.
Fitting the seat box. We started with a really rusty box. We had to cut out all this metal and rebuild, re-weld, fabricate a piece on, which Adam did, and here's Adam respraying the whole box after welding. He sealed it up with silicone sealant. I don't even know which around to put it in, so I just had to kind of guess it out.
This bar is bolted on prematurely here. This bolt has to go through here. And the weather strip comes here. It's sitting at quite an angle, but I suppose this has to go down. Something's holding it.
That's what's holding it, that cable. And I didn't see that wire. I had to unbolt all the bolts and loosen that wire. There's another big job.
Maybe I can just hammer it down.
So I wanted to eventually just push it down.
Yeah.
Here I'm just fitting it. I'm not bolting it, and I'm just seeing what's needed to get it in.
Put stainless steel if I can. How's it?
It's going to help.
Hello, dogs. Hello. Hello, Zip. You're helping me. Grab a spanner there.
I think they're coming to check if I'm doing it correctly. They've seen the underside of many cars. These bolts were terrible to get out when these are all rusted, and it took literally days to get these out. So working like this is an absolute pleasure. This vehicle was so rusted. This is a new chassis. The seat box obviously had battery acid and salt water in it that made it rust. By the way, that little box on the seat box is not really needed. It's a vent.
Right. So we've got this one loose. I'm not going to do that end. Hello, Lily. This bar is an important crumple zone. When you get a front end, the chassis goes backwards there, and this connects through the fire body to this chassis, and the other car crumples. Hey, Lily.
Now you know what they say. The crumple zone of the Land Rover is the other vehicle. So I'm just checking how it's going to fit in, and there you can see it kind of fits snugly. And seat box.
It's a door strip sealer, very cheap.
It's a weather strip from the hardware shop. Now I'm confident that the seat box is in the right place, although that wire is still in the wrong place, so I have to go and loosen all this later on when I started figuring out how the electrics works. Dogs are, all three dogs inspecting.
Tighten these up, Lily. What you got? What's in your mouth? You got a present for me? What's in your mouth?
Yeah, I'm pretty eager to fit the seat, because once we fit the seat, we can drive it around. Can't drive it without the seat. It's really, really hard to control the throttle. So this seat, I don't even know which seat goes where, but there's a difference. There's a left and a right seat, obviously, and there's slightly, you've got some weird angle on the bolts. It's really just 4 bolts.
Probably needs a rear upholster. Interesting, this is made by Dunlop. Dunlop doesn't exist as a company. I did some work for them a while ago. Shortly after that they were sold to Suamoto or some other tire company. And now Dunlop's just a brand. There's no way they'll be making seats.
I think the seat was made in 1995, around about there. I love the way these LandRover seats just clip in so easily, very satisfying to smack it down. You can see the seat is still loose. There's actually a bolt missing in the front left, which I have to fabricate a tongue. Now we're going to put the first passenger, first driver for 20 years.
Come on, there you go.
Quite happy there.
There you go.
Fern wants a turn.
What's that, Fern? You want to go in your LandRover?
Zip's jealous because that's her spot now.
What's that?
Every time I look at you, I see it in your eyes. You're pretty, yeah, but no, not like diamonds in the sky.
It's comfy,
I
eh?
look into your soul, like what I can see.
Now it's my turn
That you
to
can
take a
make me
seat.
whole. Piece by piece, you've broken me. Piece by piece, you've broken me. But don't you
Be nice to just
worry.
get in and drive it, but there's a lot of problems waiting for us that we don't know about. Join us for the next video.